Welcome to the Global Commerce Academy, your destination for 100% free CMA USA lectures. Today we are covering Chapter 7, Data Visualization, from Part 1, Technology and Analytics, based on the CMA USA 2025 syllabus. In this lecture, you'll learn how data is transformed into visuals that help businesses make faster, smarter decisions, and how you as a CMA can master data storytelling. Let's dive in. Data visualization is the process of converting complex data into visual formats such as charts, graphs, dashboards, and infographics to help people understand information quickly. Humans process visuals 60,000 times faster than text, and that's why dashboards are used in almost every finance and business setting. Instead of reading rows of numbers, managers can see trends, outliers, and comparisons in seconds. Data visualization turns raw data into actionable insights. As a CMA, your goal is not just to prepare data, it's to help analyze and explain it. Data visualization helps in presenting key financial KPIs to management, tracking performance across departments, supporting budgeting and forecasting decisions, communicating with non-financial stakeholders, monitoring fraud or anomalies. In short, visuals simplify complexity, reduce misunderstandings, and improve business decisions. Effective data visualization is not just pretty charts. It must be clear, easy to read, accurate, based on real clean data, purposeful, matches the question or objective, comparative, shows patterns not just values, interactive if digital, can be filtered or drilled down. Tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, and even Python with Matplotlib Seaborn are popular for creating these visuals. Let's delve into the world of data visualization and explore common chart types, understanding when each one shines. Visuals are powerful tools for CMAs, enabling you to communicate complex financial information. Understand and act upon. Here are popular tools used for visualization. Microsoft Excel, most basic universal tool for charting. Power BI, Microsoft, enterprise-level dashboards, real-time reports. Tableau, visual-first analytics, highly interactive. Google Data Studio, free, integrates well with Google Data. Python, Matplotlib Seaborn, Plotly. For coders and automation, ClickSense, business-focused self-service BI. As a CMA, know even one. Two of these tools gives you a huge edge in real-world job roles. Data storytelling is the art of explaining numbers with meaning. Good storytelling answers three questions. What is happening? Descriptive analytics. Why is it happening? Diagnostic analytics. What should we do next? Prescriptive analytics. Example, if revenue dropped 10% last quarter, your visual dashboard should show which product line dropped, In which region? What costs rose in the same time? Use visuals to walk your audience through the story behind the data. Let's explore some common and advanced pitfalls that can undermine your data visualizations. For each, I'll share a real-world example to show why avoiding these mistakes is crucial for clear, effective communication. First, avoid excessive clutter. Don't overload your charts with unnecessary colors, distracting labels, or extraneous grid lines. For example, a finance team once presented a quarterly report filled with dense, colorful charts and too many data points. Executives struggled to find the key message, leading to confusion and missed insights. Simplicity is key to clear communication. Second, selecting the wrong chart type can completely distort your message. For example, a manager used a pie chart to show sales trends over time, causing the team to misinterpret seasonal patterns. A line chart would have made the trend clear. Always choose the right chart for your data. Third, beware of cherry-picked data. Presenting only a portion of the data that supports your argument while ignoring contradictory evidence is misleading. In one case, the company highlighted only positive sales regions, hiding losses elsewhere. This led to poor strategic decisions and missed opportunities for improvement. Always strive for a comprehensive and unbiased representation. Fourth, ensure you provide sufficient context. Always add clear labels, appropriate units of measurement, and descriptive titles to your visuals. For instance, a dashboard without axis labels left a finance team guessing whether numbers were in thousands or millions, leading to costly misinterpretations. Without context, your audience will struggle to interpret the data accurately. Fifth, always consider your audience. Use visuals that are appropriate for financial professionals versus those designed for a general audience. For example, a CMA presented a technical dashboard to non-finance staff who found it overwhelming and disengaged. As a CMA, your credibility depends on accurate, ethical, and audience-appropriate visual communication. Now let's look at some advanced pitfalls. Misusing color is a common mistake. Using too many colors or poor color combinations can confuse viewers and obscure key insights. In one project, the dashboard with clashing colors made it hard for managers to spot important trends, resulting in missed warnings about declining sales. Stick to a clear, consistent color palette. Failing to update dashboards is another issue. Outdated data can lead to poor decisions. For example, the company relied on last quarter's figures to make inventory purchases, resulting in overstock and wasted resources. Make sure your dashboards reflect the most current information available. Ignoring accessibility is a serious pitfall. Visuals with poor contrast or small fonts can be difficult for some users to read. In one case, a financial report with tiny text excluded key stakeholders from the discussion. Always design with accessibility in mind, ensuring everyone can interpret your data. Overcomplicating visuals is another trap. Complicating visuals is another trap. Complex, multi-layered charts may look impressive but often confuse rather than clarify. For example, a multi-tab dashboard overwhelmed executives, causing them to overlook a critical drop in cash flow. Aim for simplicity and focus on the key message. Finally, not validating your data sources can undermine your entire analysis. In one instance, a team built visuals on outdated data, leading to a failed product launch. Always check that your data is accurate, reliable, and up-to-date before building your visuals. By being aware of these pitfalls, from basic to advanced, and learning from real-world mistakes, you can create data visualizations that are clear, accurate, and truly impactful for your audience. Here's how a certified management accountant fits into this world. Build dashboards for CFOs and decision makers. Interpret trends and turn insights into action. Automate reporting using Excel or Power BI. Bridge finance and tech. Speak both business and data language. Train teams in reading and using dashboards effectively. CMA professionals are no longer just report preparers. They're data translators. Let's say you're working at a manufacturing measures. Identify non-performing regions or product lines, enabling strategic resource allocation and focused improvement efforts. And take real-time action based on up-to-the-minute information, fostering agility and explain variances, and ultimately improve business performance across all departments. Master essential tools like Excel, Power BI, and Tableau. Unlock a wealth of knowledge and resources to propel your career forward.